Do you know the future of customer service and support by chatgpt 4? Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we will tell you about chatgpt 4. chatgpt 4 is the fourth generation language model developed by OpenAI. Built on the foundation of its predecessors, GPT-1, GPT-2, and GPT-3. It is a highly advanced and sophisticated language model that can perform a wide range of natural language processing (NLP) tasks, including language generation, summarization, translation, question answering, and more. chatgpt 4 is designed to learn from massive amounts of data and use that knowledge to generate human-like responses to user queries. It is trained on a massive corpus of text data that includes books, articles, and websites, making it highly versatile and adaptable to various contexts and topics. Its advanced architecture allows it to understand context, syntax, and semantics, making it capable of generating highly accurate and relevant responses. The uses of chatgpt 4 are numerous, and it has many potential applications in various industries, including healthcare, education, finance, marketing, and customer service. One of its primary uses is in chatbots and virtual assistants, where it can provide users with personalized and informative responses to their queries, helping to automate customer service and support. In the healthcare industry, chatgpt 4 can be used to analyze large volumes of medical data, and assist doctors and researchers in making diagnoses and treatment decisions. It can also help patients to find information about their health conditions and treatment options, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. In the education industry, chatgpt 4 can be used to create personalized learning experiences for students. It can provide them with customized study materials, practice exercises, and feedback, helping them to learn more efficiently and effectively. In the finance industry, chatgpt 4 can be used to analyze financial data and make predictions about market trends and stock prices. It can also assist customers in managing their finances, providing them with personalized advice on investment strategies and financial planning. In the marketing industry, chatgpt 4 can be used to create personalized marketing campaigns, tailoring messages and offers to individual customers based on their preferences and behaviors. It can also assist with market research, analyzing customer feedback and sentiment to inform product development and marketing strategies. Overall, chatgpt 4 is a highly advanced and versatile language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and process language. Its sophisticated capabilities and vast applications make it an essential tool for various industries, helping to improve efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching today's video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.